Building a loyal and devoted customer base is essential, but maintaining their ongoing involvement requires more than just occasional promotions or discounts. It can often be more challenging to build customer loyalty than acquiring new customers. It demands fostering genuine, meaningful relationships that stand the test of time. Traditional engagement methods often fall short in today's dynamic digital market. To truly connect with your audience, it's so important to create enjoyable and memorable experiences that make customers feel integral to your brand's story. This is where digital signage comes into play. Digital signage is more than just a tool for displaying information. It's a powerful medium to connect on a deeper level with your audience. By leveraging digital signage effectively, brands can craft personalized, memorable experiences that resonate with their customers. So how does digital signage help build stronger customer relationships? It boils down to one key element: relevance. The more relevant and personalized your content is, the more valued your customers will feel. Digital signage enables you to present your brand in a way that feels fresh, engaging, and responsive to your customers' needs. Let's explore some strategies. You can tailor your content to your customers using their data. For instance, if certain customers are particularly interested in a specific product category, you can create campaigns targeting them with relevant offers and messages. By showing a deep understanding of their preferences, you help strengthen the connection to your brands. Don't just display static messages on your screens. Use your digital signage as an opportunity to surprise your customers with experiences such as interactivity. You can create a unique experience that leverages a positive, lasting impression, therefore reinforcing their loyalty. Keep your messaging consistent everywhere. It's key to reinforcing your brand identity and values. A strong, unified brand experience builds trust and loyalty, encouraging your customers to keep coming back. Digital signage is a powerful way to build a sense of community with your customers. By integrating social media, sharing personalized content, or highlighting upcoming events, you can create an experience that goes beyond just transactions and make your audience feel like they're part of something bigger. Want to make customer engagement easier and more impactful? Digital signage can be a game changer, but only if it's powered by the right platform. Let's break it down. A great platform takes the hassle out of content management, helping you scale up without the headaches. First up, real-time updates. Keep your content fresh and relevant, whether it's the latest promo, event highlights, or a quick menu swap. Foster a dynamic customer experience by staying relevant. Got multiple locations? No problem. Remote management lets you update content, schedules, and even monitor displays from anywhere, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Worried about costs? Digital signage doesn't have to break the bank. The right platform offers big business features at small business prices and grows as you do. Engaging content is king. Look for platforms with customizable templates and interactive tools so your messages truly connect with your audience. Yodeck has hundreds of templates and apps for you to personalize and meet your needs. Want to wow your audience? Platforms that integrate with live data, weather updates, and social media add that extra touch of immersion. Finally, smart scheduling ensures your content hits the mark. Displaying the right message at just the right time enhances engagement with timely, targeted messages. With the right tools, digital signage becomes more than just a display. It's an experience. So why does all of this matter? Because loyalty isn't just about sales, it's about relationships. In an age where customers have endless choices, showing that you truly value them can make all the difference. Digital signage helps you stand out by delivering personalized, engaging content that your customers won't forget. It's about turning transactions into connections and ensuring your customers see themselves as an integral part of your brand's story. Engaging your loyal customers doesn't have to be complicated. It requires creativity, strategy, and the right tools. Yodeck digital signage is one of those tools that can transform your approach to customer loyalty, leaving a lasting impact on your business. So take the leap. Start exploring how you can use digital signage to connect with your audience in ways you never thought possible. Because when your customers feel valued, they'll keep coming back. and that's a win for everyone. If you're ready to take your customers' engagement to the next level, don't forget to share and subscribe, and check out our blog at yodeck.com/blog.